In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Procore project. The first thing we want to do is go to our discussion and make sure you've downloaded the schedule file. Now, once you've done that and you know where it's at, then you'll log into Procore, um, and this is where you should start at the home page. Excuse me. From here, you want to go to the company tools and portfolio. Portfolio, you should get a screen, something like this, probably not all of the projects that I have, but similar. And you want to go to create project. Now this will start you off with the general information. In the lessons, I've put a step-by-step guide and with all the instructions for what to enter. So let's start out by using the standard project template, the stage, course of construction, the project name, 206, space M7, first and last name. Project number, um, we're going to go with 206070001 and your initials. Oh, let's make that dash initials. Description can be anything you like. Um, and we go to next. We've got the work scope. We've got new construction and the sector. We'll do industrial and delivery method, design build. Here you can change the logo and project photo if you like. I'm sorry, I've mixed up my notes here.